Today I'd like to talk about the new range of Pro-X hose reel. There's 4 new reels in the range, 2 air and 2 water, 2 20 metres and 2 30 metres. So all of the hose reel range have the following features: a stop anywhere function, a controlled return function, adjustable tension control, adjustable hose stop, a hose layering system, replaceable hose, a wall bracket with the auto centre or auto 90-degree return function, and best of all, they all have extreme hose on board. The adjustable hose stop allows you to change the length of the hose coming out of the hose reel quickly and easily. The stop anywhere function allows the hose to be stopped at any length. The Pro-X hose reel also incorporate hose layering system, which allows the hose to be neatly stored back on the internal drum. Now I'd like to demonstrate the Pro-X controlled hose return function. So now I'd like to show you a hose reel without controlled return. The adjustable tension control allows you to adjust the tension on the internal spring. The Pro-X hose reels also incorporate a nifty little feature in the wall bracket which allows the hose reel to auto centre it straight or auto centre at 90 degrees.